Oh, that's great. I got that on video.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I received a package from Rollin Light. These are 6-inch 5 CCT in 1 LED recessed lights with nightlight. So in the olden days, your home recessed lighting were called hi-hats, right? I have about 6 hi-hats, the old style, analog, with fluorescent bulbs. And they use up a lot of electricity. That is, if you compare it to the new LED lights. Now these recessed LED lights are so energy efficient that you can run these lights for 3 hours and it only uses up 11 cents per kilowatt. So you can do the measurements that way, but these also last like 50,000 hours. That's how LED lights are usually rated for. So you probably will never have to change these lights ever again, at least in your lifetime. So these things are very slim, and when they're recessed in there, it's very easy to install. It's just a positive and negative wire. Clip it onto your power source. And what's even better about this model is that it has these circle, almost like cat eye halo accents for night lights too. I can't wait to try it out in my kitchen. So I'm gonna try to measure out and see if I have to do any cutting, but I believe my interior hi-hat lights, the old style, are 6 inches in diameter. Well, this is perfect. It should be just plug and play. Here you've got a template, exactly 6 inches diameter. So in case you did have to cut it, you would put that there, stick it there with some double-sided tape and use a pencil so they can have a guide of a perfect 6-inch round diameter. It's your user manual here. And inside the box, we have the recessed lighting. Look how thin and low profile this is. So this connects to a junction box, which they give you 6 of, right? This is the junction box right here. You would just simply connect that like that. And on the inside of the junction box, you have these quick connect tabs where you simply just stick the wire in. It's so easy to connect, you know? And you have a optional ground cable if you needed it too. So that's it. Once you line this up to the hole in your ceiling, you simply push these tabs in, hold it, they're spring loaded. So when you stick it in the hole, you let go and these tabs keep it up. That's it, plug and play, super. So this is the kitchen ceiling hi-hat lights. As you can see, I have 2, 4, and 6 lights. When you turn them on, they look like this. As you can see, they're fluorescent bulbs, and it does take a little bit before they get super bright. Okay, as you guys saw, I just removed the hi-hats. This is what's inside, very deep, along with other stuff. And I basically just connected the positive and negative wire to this. And I'm gonna test it. And I turned it on, and look how bright that is. Isn't that great? So you can also change how much you want it. The CCT, 5000K, a little bit lower. Because you know, you don't want to be blinded when you get in here, right? So you can turn it to this dimness, but I kind of like the whiteness of it, you know? And I think the kitchen should be bright. I'm gonna have 6 of these, so it's gonna be very, very bright. But you know what? I think I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install it. I'm just gonna let that junction box hang there like that. There's a lot of room in there. I'm not worried about it because this is very light. And you just take these 2 clips and stick it in. The wire is inside. You can feel it. I'm just gonna push it into the hole so that it's flush against the ceiling. And there you go. Wow! Look how easy that was. Check this out. If you turn it off and then on, within 2 seconds, it has the nightlight look. Oh man, is that cool or what? Now I'm just gonna do the remaining 6. There you go, guys. I swapped out all 6. Here we go. I'm going to turn the lights on. What? Is that insane? What? What? Oh, that's insane. Woo! What? That's insane. So what do you think, guys, huh? Looks badass or what? It didn't take very long either. Like maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. But I'm lucky because I had already pre-drilled 6-inch holes. So just slip it right in. You guys probably have a 10-inch or 8-inch or something. You might have to do some adapting. Or you can get 8-inch or 10-inch ones that they make. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want this. Go check it out. It's what? It's crazy. Really looks nice. What a great upgrade. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.